So my name's Glodi. I've had quite a journey through hospital. I first had symptoms of pneumonia. So I came to hospital, and when the doctors evaluated me, they found out that my pneumonia was quite severe.
So I had the privilege to look after Glodi with our team here. He ended up on the intensive care unit.
So then they decided to put me in a medically induced coma. And during my coma, I had a stroke.
When he was transferred to us, his swallowing was really challenging. He was unable to swallow any food or liquids.
So when I first realized I couldn't swallow, it did eat me inside knowing that I can't eat any food.
The team from speech and language therapy said to us that there's a device called the Phygenics device, which does offer electrical stimulation to improve the swallow as well.
Speech and language therapy team were aware of a device called Phygenics from the company Phygenesis, which is a pharyngeal electrical stimulation to treat neurogenic dysphagias. The system consists of this reusable base station and our catheters, which are single person only, and between the two we set personalised stimulation levels, which then provides the electrical impulse here through the catheter.
So when I first got offered this treatment, when I first heard electrical impulses, I thought it's going to be a struggle. So I was a little bit wary of it. So when I first had this treatment, all my thoughts were just disproven, because the treatment was the easiest thing. I feel like for me, that was the easiest thing to sit through. And it was only 10 minutes as well. So when I first felt that, and I knew that each session is going to be similar, I knew, oh, thank goodness I took this.
Within a very, very short period, his swallow had improved completely. And in my professional career, I have never seen anyone improve as quick as this.
So my first ever x-ray of my swallow, I couldn't even get the liquids down my throat. They were just stuck at the top of my food pipe. My last one, everything was going down cleanly.
This has been an absolute fantastic story to share. And as I said, I've never seen someone experience this and recover as quick as this before.
Having seen Glodi go from nil by mouth, not being able to eat or drink, or even manage his own saliva, within 2.5 weeks, he's had this treatment, we've repeated his x-ray, and he's back onto normal diet and fluid. That's a recovery that we're not used to. It has been outstanding to see the progress that he's made.
Honestly, after this treatment, I'm so grateful to all the speech therapists just managing to get me on this. Like, this has literally changed my life. So honestly, everyone deserves this opportunity, in my opinion.
We're pleased to share that funding has now been secured to offer pharyngenics treatment to suitable patients at UHL and UHW. Please note that this treatment is not appropriate for everyone. Pharyngenics is offered only to selected inpatients within Cardiff and Vale. This will be decided by the speech and language therapy team based on clinical needs and suitability.